How are you doing, Anna?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you, Jack?
I'm good too. How is your day going so far?
It's going smoothly. I woke up early and had a calm morning.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 in the morning.
Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I try to wake up early every day
Why do you like waking up early?
because mornings are quiet and peaceful.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I stay in bed for a minute and take a deep breath.
Do you check your phone right away?
No, I avoid checking my phone in the morning.
Why do you avoid using your phone early?
It helps me start my day without stress.
What do you do after getting out of bed?
I stretch my body and then go to the bathroom.
Does stretching help you feel better?
Yes, it helps me wake up and feel active.
What do you do in the bathroom?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
How do you feel after that?
I feel fresh and ready for the day.
Do you say anything to yourself in the morning?
Yes, I try to say something positive.
Like what?
I say, today will be a productive day.
Where do you go next?
I go to the kitchen.
What do you do in the kitchen?
I make tea or coffee.
Which one do you prefer?
I usually prefer tea.
What do you do while drinking tea?
I sit quietly and think about my plans.
Do you plan your whole day?
No, I only plan a few important things.
Why don't you plan everything?
Planning too much makes me feel stressed.
Do you study English in the morning?
Yes, I practice English every morning,
How long do you practice?
around 10 to 20 minutes.
What kind of practice do you do?
I listen to English and repeat the sentences.
Do you read English too?
Yes, sometimes. I read short texts.
Do you feel confident speaking English now?
More confident than before.
Were you shy in the beginning?
Yes, I was very shy.
What helped you overcome that fear?
Daily practice and patience.
How do you feel after finishing practice?
I feel satisfied and motivated.
What do you do after your English practice?
I prepare breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Eggs, bread, and fruit.
Do you eat alone or with family?
Usually with my family.
Do you talk during breakfast?
Yes, we talk about daily plans.
What do you do after breakfast?
I clean the kitchen and organize my space.
Why is a clean space important to you?
It helps me focus better.
When do you start working or studying?
Around 9 in the morning.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work online from home.
What do you usually work on?
I work on tasks that require reading and writing.
Do you use English at work?
Yes, I often read and write in English.
Was that difficult at first?
Yes, it was challenging in the beginning
How did you improve?
by practicing a little every day.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I take short breaks.
What do you do during those breaks?
I stretch, drink water, or walk around.
Do breaks help your productivity?
Yes, they help me stay focused.
How do you feel in the afternoon?
I usually feel a bit tired.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I slow down and relax for a while.
Do you listen to English during the day?
Yes, I listen while doing simple tasks.
Do you understand everything you hear?
No, but I understand more than before.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work in the evening.
How do you feel after work?
I feel relaxed and relieved.
What do you do in the evening?
I spend time with family or watch videos.
Do you watch English content?
Yes, I try to watch English videos.
Do you translate while watching?
No, I tried to just listen naturally.
Does that help your listening skill?
Yes, it helps a lot.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I eat simple, home-cooked food.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes, especially when I'm not tired.
What do you do after dinner?
I relax and talk with my family.
Do you ever feel tired of daily routine?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do when that happens?
I remind myself why I started.
Why did you start learning English?
To improve my communication and opportunities.
Has learning English changed your life?
Yes, it has increased my confidence.
What is the biggest challenge for learners?
Staying consistent.
Is motivation enough?
No, habit is more important.
What small habit do you recommend?
Listening to English every day.
Do you practice English at night?
Sometimes I listen before sleeping.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10 or 11 at night.
How do you feel before sleeping?
Calm and thankful.
Do you think about your mistakes?
No, I think about my progress.
What advice would you give beginners?
Start small and be patient.
Can anyone learn English?
Yes, with time and practice.
What is the most important lesson you learned?
Consistency is more powerful than perfection.
Do you feel proud of your journey?
Yes, very proud.
What keeps you going every day?
The belief that small steps matter.
Will you continue learning?
Yes, learning never really stops.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.